Hey, I'm Daniel Delk, Lead Fulfillment Manager here at Dreamedia, and I'm basically the guy that takes care of your order after the sale. So I'm here to make sure that everything arrives on time, get you the tracking, and then God forbid something goes wrong, I'm your fix-it guy. I spent about 20 years in the hotel business before this new opportunity with Dreamedia. Zach's actually the guy that put all the equipment in my house a few years ago, so I knew it was a great company and a good product. And so I'm excited to be a part of the team and looking forward to working with you.
Perfect!
Done?
How the hell?
First time!
Okay, so where am I looking? Zach?
Just look right in the camera if you can.
Okay.